Hi, I want to show you one of the features on the Babylock machines. Come on in here. Right here, I've got a zigzag on my screen because I want to stitch a zigzag. But what if I want to take the whole stitch? Well, actually, let me do this first. I can make it wider. Do you see how I can make it wider? That's great, right? What if I want to take that whole stitch and move it over? And now, why would I want to move a whole stitch over? Because sometimes if you're skipping stitches, you need to be in the left-hand position, but you only want your zigzag to be that wide. You want to move the whole stitch to the left. You have right down here, the left-right shift. Do you see that moving? And now my zigzag is all the way to the left. That's a cool feature, but let me show you what happens in a straight stitch. Now, if I make it wider, it's not going to get any wider because it's just a straight stitch. It can't get fatter, right? But my left-right shift moves that stitch all the way to one side or the other. This left-right shift is really a great stitch to use.